Hello traders. Today we are looking at the Sharp EA for MT4 and MT5, a trend-based expert advisor that promises very smooth growth, tiny drawdowns, and a crazy high win rate. But before we hop into the video, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, on the sales page, as you can see, it goes for $430. The developer positions this as a kind of smart forward-looking trend robot that predicts future price or that predicts future price rather using patterns and combination of indicators. So in this video, I'll break down what the developer actually claims, walk you through the features, then compare that to my own backtest so you can see what this thing really looks like when you press play on the first chart. Alright, so let's get into it. So Sharp EA on paper is a clean, non-martingale trend follower that supposedly handles multiple market conditions with very low risks. Alright, so let me just expand this so you can see it very cleanly. As you can see from what the developer holds, it's a trend-based expert. This expert predicts the future by using trend patterns and trend indicators and short-term and long-term calculations, as you can see. It said that trends change quickly in lower time frames, so this expert is suitable for M30 and above. That's a 30-minute time frame. And they also claim that in the expert, they use currency pairs that are aligned with their strategy. And they claim that the best currency pair for the expert advisor is the euro dollar. That is EURUSD. All right. They also claim that in this expert, dozens of different indicators and dozens of different strategies. The main ones are trend-based strategies are used. All right, so let's take a look at the attributes as well. As you can see, it can be used in the EURUSD, GBP USD, USD CHF, NZD USD currency pairs. It can also be used in the 30-minute time frame, the 1 hour time frame, and the 4 hours time frames. Okay, it has a profit and loss limit. It can be used with low capital, and it operates according to FIFO rules. Like I said previously, without any risky strategies like martingale or hedge, and then it can be used in prop companies as well. All right, so you can see we have in this table here that the minimum tested capital was $100, minimum tested leverage 50. Best brokers for the experts, big and well-known brokers, and you can see the currency pair. So this is like basically a summary of everything we've said so far. All right, so you can see some of the settings that the developer flashes on the page. You can see magic number if you want to use several experts at the same time. It's quite useful for you. Other long, other shorts, risks, set the lot value manually, take profit, stop loss, and the rest of that. You can also see some frequently asked questions, so you can actually check this out on the website on the developers page. You can get the answers to frequently asked questions like if it complies with FIFO rules, which it does, as you can see. Can the expert trade at the same time in 4 currency pairs? As you can see, and the answer is yes. And then there are just a lot of other questions like that on the sites along with their answers. Okay, they also say they update the experts every 1 to 2 months and put it on the site, so that's actually pretty good. If you have any suggestion or criticism, you can let them know so they can fix the problem in their next version. You can see it can also be used in other symbols. Okay, and then all that, they're all here on the website. So let's take a look at some of the screenshots here on the page from the developer. So you can see in the developer's tests over the period in which he tested. Let's take a look at the equity curve. So you can see that in this case, he made use of the EURUSD, the euro dollar, on the 30-minute time frame, and the test period was from 2010 to 2023. That is a period of 13 years. That should be 14 years rather. With a 5% risk. Max equity drawdown was 1%, max balance drawdown was 1%, and the win rate was 92%. So you see the equity curve, it's kind of starts out flat, but then there's this quick upward movement, kind of looks like a 45-degree line to the upside. So it kind of shows pretty decent gains over time. You know, even after the slow starts, it's actually picked up over the years, and then it resulted in pretty different decent gains. As you can see, from a balance or initial deposit of $10,000, the profits at the end, or the net profit at the end of the period, was $12,300,000. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other screenshots here on the page. You can see these are some of his results. You can see the initial deposit was $10,000 in this case, and the total net profit was 12.4 million, above 12.4 million actually. The profit factor was 4.00, and the balance drawdown was just 0. That's 0.93%. All right, that looks pretty good on paper in the screenshots, but let's actually compare this to my own personal backtest so we can see if this actually holds true when I put it through my own vigorous testing. So I'm just going to open up MT5. All right, so as you can see, I did this on the EURUSD, the euro dollar, as is recommended, on the M30 time frame. That's for 30 minutes for the custom period of 1 year, from April 1st, 2025 to April 1st, 2026. My initial deposit was $10,000. And yeah, I ran the EA over the period. So let's take a look at some of the backtest results. All right, so for the initial deposits of $10,000, you can see that this is quite different from what we have on the website, as um, we actually had a loss of over $3,000 in this case. This kind of contrasts with what we have on the site, and the kind of gains we saw on the site is quite different. In that case, we had very good gains, but in this case, we actually closed in a loss for the period. So it kind of raises some suspicions about the EA if it actually goes in line with what the developer claims. Um, all right, so you can see the profit factor is below 10.80. That's not good. The balance drawdown was actually high at 8.28%. The total trades taken were 222 trades. Let's take a look at the equity curve as well. So you can see that it started off looking a little bit like it was going to the upside, as you can see over here, but then over time it just came crashing down. You can see even the beginning period was rough over here. It's kind of goes up and just keeps on dipping that way, and then it kind of tried to recover sharply to the upside, but then that didn't sustain out for a long period, as it came crashing down just quite after, and then it just continues in this kind of downtrend with little retracements to the upside. So you can see it's over here with the starting balance, and it's came down all the way over here on the far right. So compare it to what we have on the website. My verdict is actually looks quite different and doesn't go in line with what the developer actually claims for this EA. So you'd want to take it with a pinch of salt and actually do your own personal back tests, and to be able to confirm if this EA is actually the right one for you, or if it's one to just avoid or keep for the books. Anyways, if you found this video helpful or this breakdown helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me which EA you want me to review next, especially if there's a robot you're not sure you can trust. And don't forget, if you want to experiment with automated trading without spending money upfront, grab that free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.